And day 5 of the 55th International Film Festival of India is underway in the coastal Indian state of Goa. It witnessed the culmination of a successful edition of the Film Bazaar. Young champions also emerged with the conclusion of the Creative Minds of Tomorrow 48 Hours Challenge, and Team Green, they were awarded with the coveted trophy on day 5. The red carpet is also rolled out for showcasing world cinema. And the 48 Hours Creative Minds for Tomorrow Challenge, concluded on day 4 of IFFI. The challenge brought a lot of opportunities and experiences in the participation. So let's listen to what some of the participants had to say.
The 48 Hours Creative Minds of Tomorrow Challenge is finally over, and we have with us Team Green, who's worked really hard. First of all, many congratulations to you for completing the entire project on time. How tough was the entire challenge for you?
It was really tough, but we pulled it out and we had a perfect plan and we executed it all.
What were the challenges that you faced throughout this project?
I think mainly the time crunch, because we had to do everything very fast in 48 hours. It's very difficult to do pre-post everything together. So I think the time crunch was the biggest challenge.
And the happiness on Team Purple's face is really very evident, because the challenge has finally been completed here at 48 Hours Challenge of Creative Minds of Tomorrow. Let's talk to them. What are your learnings, key takeaways that you are taking from here?
I think the biggest learning that I got from here was to how to work with the entirely new cast and crew, which was, I think, the biggest challenge, because you get no time to understand each other, bond with each other, understand each other's creative ideas, where we're coming from. So to be able to find that ground, understanding that, you can also go ahead with that kind of, we can have that kind of situation anywhere with any project. To have that experience, it kind of gives me a skill to be a more versatile director, to be able to fit in any kind of certain scenario. So I think that was one of the biggest victory for me personally.
All right, so there you heard Team Purple, who are super excited to complete their project on time, because the 48-hour challenge has completely ended. With camera person Alok, this is Deepika reporting for DD India from Goa.